Hello everyone. The Point of Sale Dynamic Tax app helps user to add and multiple taxes of the product in the point of sale. So for that we need to complete some point of sale configuration. So let me get into the settings. Under point of sale where we can see an option named modify taxes of lines where we can add and list of taxes. To add another tax we need to get into here and we need to search by using this and you can select which tax we need to add for the point of sale. Now let's save this one. So once everything is done, we need to get into the point of sale. So from here, let's open a new session. Now in the point of sale screen, we can see an option named tax included. So let's add an product here. Okay. So by clicking on the tax included, we can select multiple taxes from the drop down where we can see an option to add and also you can see and cancel option to cancel if needed. Okay, let's add a tax. So you can see I have added the taxes here. So from here, if I have processed the payment, in the receipt user can see all the taxes that we have added can also be seen here. So in this way we can make use of this module to add and multiple taxes on the product in the point of sale. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. To see more about and point of sale related videos, check our BrowseInfo playlist to see all the newly updated point of sale features that we have. Thanks for watching.